Good morning, good day. I am Aubrey Esmeralda Alvis, Team Elite Pavo of Reway International. This is the quote that I am living with. Let's be the change we wish to see in the world. Our product is for J Oral Live Stem Cells. It is reversing aging that repairs cells and organs all over the body. One product for all and one-time treatment. Now, in the seventh edition, because Rayway International, a Singapore-based company, is a research and development company since 2008. We are already 18 years in the market with one health product. In our seventh edition, the company added clinically proven patented ingredients from the deer placenta. Why we chose deer? Because it is the only beast that has the stem cells that is biocompatible, almost human stem cells. And from the placenta cervicenta of the female deer that we added in our capsule, it is multipotent that uh, converted into all body organs when it goes into our body, and it also triggered the damage and the dead stem cells to come alive and regenerate again. Same also with the Velvicenta from the tip of the antler of the male deer that multiplies fast. According to the study, the combination of cervicenta from the female deer and velvicenta from the male deer, when they are combined in a laboratory in 24 hours, it can create a baby deer. So it means it can multiply so many stem cells in just 24 hours. That's why a person's body can recover very fast. And with the N Jensen, this is the company owned product. It only grows in a volcanic soil in New Zealand because our company Rayway has its own plantation and laboratory in New Zealand. With the Ingensen, the effect of this is actually the brain food. So it helps to people who have brain damage, ADHD, children with special needs, okay, with the Alzheimer's, also for the heart and all of the veins in the body. This is also proven as a cancer terminator. So Axertone is a mushroom that was given as a precious gift during only special occasions during the time of the Chinese dynasty. The best gift they can give, the special gift they can give to the emperors, because this mushroom controls the aging of the internal organs. So imagine if you are taking a product that can make your internal organs not growing old, maintains healthy like the kids. Their internal organs are healthy, they are still young because it's not yet overused like that. So it means we have the chance to live up to 100-year old because of the Axertone ingredients. And with the Nucleic Lavem, this is a white strawberry that grows only in Japan, Hawaii Island. It is a natural antibiotic, natural pain reliever, and also a cancer terminator. This product is anti-inflammation. This ingredient is anti-inflammation because according to a Chinese doctor, all of the terminal illnesses, especially from the heart, from the brain, all over the body, the main cause of the diseases is the inflammation. But with this ingredient, okay, it actually melts the bukol-bukol or the inflammation inside the body of a person. So can you imagine how much is the cost of these five ingredients alone? But they are already in our seventh edition. And there are 14 ingredients in it. There is also a brown seaweed that is known in Japan as a cancer terminator. So in this seventh edition, in one capsule, there are three ingredients that are cancer terminator. And there is an apple extract. Remember, um, one apple a day keeps the doctor away. So what if you and your whole family is eating porkey with 100 of apples inside it? So you don't need to worry if today you're eating vegetable, fruits, or eating food supplement or vitamins because you are already taking porkey with the tomato extract that also maintain the skin healthy and young marine collagen. You don't need to buy collagen separately. It has already 100 mg inside the capsule with the evening primrose that is best for people who have ladies who have PCOS, okay, in their menopausal stage. Squalene, avocado, borage oil, and extra of aloe vera. They are perfect to detox our body every day, to protect, to repair, and renew our body all rounded for at least 6 months and 1 year therapy. So our purchase is a therapy. It cannot be taken per bottle. It should be a therapy. So the company Reway invested millions, billions of pesos into modern technology, and we have our own laboratory in New Zealand so that the product will not complicate to a handful of medicine that a person is taking, whether a person is having a treatment, it will not complicate, and it is best for pregnant women, it is best for newborn babies, for infants. They are all safe, and because of the other technology added into this product, it has a very fast effect, so it is like an emergency kit. And in one capsule, you get the best supplement prevention for any hereditary diseases. If your body can recover fast, it can detox every day, repair not only 10 or 20 of your body organs damage, but all from head to toe, from brain up to hair. And it can lower the three highs like creatinine, high blood pressure, sugar, protect from any viruses and like mga COVID, like that. It regenerates new cells because it is live stem cells inside the capsule. Porche, my mother became blind because of diabetes. Since 2017, she was taking Porche. At the age of 72, wala na siyang ginagamit na kung ano-anong medicines or maintenance, only Porche. So my dream referrals, alternative doctors here and abroad, dietitians around your country, in your network, in your city, pediatricians, salon and spa owners, family and friends in the Philippines and abroad.